Babe, you're joining us at the Abby and Angie baking show.
Miss Laugherty to y'all. I was inspired by Joel and his family, and they were making some treats, and I thought I could share my favorite recipe with you. So one of my favorite recipes that I learned in home ec when I was in like 6th or 7th grade was peanut butter cookies. And I'm sorry that I know a couple of you can't eat peanut butter, but I'll share some other recipes with you as well.
Also, if you're asking, this is totally dog friendly. Just don't give them too much.
It is dog friendly. So your very first step is that you need to get all your ingredients together and preheat your oven. So I preheated my oven to 350 degrees.
So go ahead and go do it if you're desiring to do it.
Okay.
Also, at the end of this, you can also add decorative stuff on it, but do not give those to any family pets afterwards anyway.
That's a good bit of advice. So the 3 ingredients that you actually need, and yes, it is only 3 ingredients, is you need 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of peanut butter. Okay, and it can be any kind of peanut butter. So I have this new Skippy creamy peanut butter. All right. So the good idea is to get your measuring cup, and it is 1 cup of sugar. Now I don't have a 1 cup, so I had to think my math teacher self, and I was like, I have a 1/3 cup. So what could I do to make the 1/3 cup into cups? So thank you, Abby.
You have to multiply it.
So I have to multiply it. I have to do 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Okay. So I'm going to do 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 more third cup of sugar.
And
so 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 3/3, which is 1 whole cup.
And you get the result of what you're supposed to get.
Okay. My second step is to add a cup of peanut butter. So this is super sticky, you know that.
Yeah.
And this
peanut butters are made that way.
This 1 giant scoop is equivalent to 1/3.
And if so, it will stick to your spoon. So you may have to do this process a few times.
Mm-hmm. So then I'm gonna.
As you can see, it is stuck on the thing. And please do not mind the noise.
So I have done 1/3 3 times again. Okay. Alright guys, so I added my egg in with the rest of it, so you can see my mixture. So this is 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. And I just mixed it real good. You can use a beater or you can stir it by hand.
And also, this is our dog Millie. If you're giving your dogs peanut butter, also this is intermission. If you would give a small amount if it was a small dog. If it's a big dog, then you give like a partly bigger, because it would not be too bad for the dog.
Correct. Alright, so then I'm going to do like 1-inch balls and just drop it onto my my pan, and I'm going to fill up the pan with 1-inch balls. Abby, no.
Go ahead and pause to do this yourself.
Alright guys, so I have filled up my pan, and the next step before you bake it is to take a fork and you're going to flatten them out. Okay, so I have just a regular fork, and I'm going to take them and I'm going to push them one way like this, and I have them all about 1 inch apart. You could do more. I just was trying to do 1 batch instead of 2 different batches. You're going to flatten them all one way, and then you're going to take your fork and turn it the other way, and it kind of makes like a crisscross pattern.
Or like, you could call it the tic-tac-toe method.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a tic-tac-toe board.
Also, if you're using a fork, we would recommend like smaller.
Yeah.
If you're making a smaller batch. but we're choosing to make it bigger.
Alright. So then you can see the pattern on top of my cookies. And I'm going to cook them for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay? I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so I cooked them for actually 12 to 14 minutes at 350. If you put it at 400, you can cook it for 8 to 10. But they are delicious. So as a reminder, it is 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, and 1 cup of peanut butter. If you want to add a little vanilla on there, it's tasty too. But I hope you enjoy.
Also, if you put it in there for a few more minutes, it'll actually make it more delicious as a result.
So thanks for watching.
Hope you like this recipe. Bye.